put your hands in the air. Not you, deputy. Now, where are you going in such a hurry, boy? My. The Inner City 500. Well, not today, you ain't. Turn around. Put your hands on the car. Not you, deputy.
Get moving, racers. Entries are about to close.
Move it, deputy. He's getting away.
Great job, Travis. Excellent work, buddy. Take a break. Oh. Hey.
Are you all good?
Travis, you okay?
Oh, you.
Yeah? Good.
Oh.
Okay. It's movie magic. Oh. Alright. I'll be okay, Travis. Go through the set. Oh. Okay. Did we get all that, Dave? Yeah, we got it all. Ouch.
That's a bit much fun.
Morgan, they've been rehearsing these packs for days, so I'm pretty sure we're going to get some amazing shots today.
Well, speaking of amazing shots, when you hit us with the next one?
It's Welcome to the City.
Yes, when Jack and Tyler went head to head on the street for the first time, right?
Yes, we don't want to give too much away. We want the reaction from the crowd to be as authentic and real as possible.
Oh, well, you know what? From the reactions these guys have been giving us so far, I think they're going to be amazing. Hey, you guys having a good time? I'm having a good time too, so let's mix it up. This next one, Rusty. Love what you're doing, buddy, but I'm swapping you out for your stunt double, okay? Everyone say, hi, Luffy!
Hi, Luffy!
Alright, Luffy stuff. For this one, actually don't use that red card. Don't use that one. Maybe pick up the keys to the thrifty if you can. And you know what? When you go backstage, give me something a little bigger as well. Something really big.
Monster
something
truck?
like a monster truck. Do you guys want to see a monster truck? Yeah, me too. Okay, it's keeping some premium octane gear. Take it away. Let's go.
All right, Dave, you ready with the cameras?
Rolling.
Up there with sound.
All right, let's have action.
Monster truck!
Monster truck. Monster truck. Lovely.
Please get a back check.
Got it.
Hit the road, farm boy. Belong here.
He's just a liability now, isn't he? All right, clear the set, Travis. That was great.
Morgan, we've got some awesome shots of the crowd reacting to the action. Should we take a look?
Yeah, can you put on the big screen, boys?
Very enjoying themselves.
Where is the Superman ride? I like that. Okay.
Alright, well we're covering my shoulders. We only have one more shoulder knee before we can cut together our teaser trailer for Inner City Rush.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a big race, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, buckle up, folks, because this is where it all gets serious. Okay, we got Jack, we got Tyler, we got a 3-lap race to the front.
That's right, the crew are just setting up the course and the drivers are in place to complete 3 laps and make it back to the start finish line.
And the first one over that finish line was the big race and the billion trip, whatever didn't read the brief, whatever the money is.
Alright, so that means everyone sitting from this red pole onwards, you guys will be cheering for Tyler in the blue City Ute, as Dave told you earlier. So what I need you to do is every time he takes the lead, I need you guys to go absolutely crazy. Can you do that for me? I said, can you do that for me? Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing, little man? Cheering for the wrong team. Now you guys this side, cheering for Jack in the red country ute, okay? Every time that red ute takes the lead, I need you to make more noise than that side. And let's be honest, based on that display, that's not going to be too difficult, is it? Now, let's give it a go. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, so it looks like we're all ready to race. So let's all get it down on the big screen. Here we go. In 3, 2.
We got Jack, we got Tyler, we got a 3-lap race to the front.
That's right, the crew are just setting up the course and the drivers are in place to complete 3 laps and make it back to the start finish line.
And the first one over that finish line was the big race and the billion trip, whatever didn't read the brief, whatever the money is.
Alright, so that means everyone sitting from this red pole onwards, you guys will be cheering for Tyler in the blue City Ute, as Dave told you earlier. So what I need you to do is every time he takes the lead, I need you guys to go absolutely crazy. Can you do that for me? I said, can you do that for me? Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing, little man? Cheering for the wrong team. Now you guys this side, cheering for Jack in the red country ute, okay? Every time that red ute takes the lead, I need you to make more noise than that side. And let's be honest, based on that display, that's not going to be too difficult, is it? Now, let's give it a go. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, so it looks like we're all ready to race. So let's all get it down on the big screen. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go!
moving trailer ever. Rolling, Gary.
Bankrupt? I'll lose everything.
Jack will do whatever it takes to save the farm.
Listen to me, son. You win that race.
Movie star, it was.
Hurry, son. fans, and welcome to the Thrifty Inner City 500. And here comes Tyler Savage, the most heavily sponsored racer on the circuit. Get moving, racers. Entrance are about to close.
The city. From acclaimed director Walter Ross comes a movie like no other.
Drivers, stop your engines.
He's got to finish.
Alright! Good job, Superstars. Come on, guys. Let's take a real applause. The guys